Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to install micro SD card for TP-LINK Tapo C230. So take a micro SD card, have your camera, and if your camera is pointing towards you, then flip it to the top. Then take your SD card and put it right in here till you hear a click. And now the micro SD card is installed. If you want to
card is not formatted. It's formatted according to the Act guidelines.
Yes, okay. If you want to deinstall the micro SD, just click it and take. The camera told me that the SD card is not formatted because you need formatted SD card. Mine is what I found just to show you, but you will need a formatted SD card. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.